I'm Eric Anaya, partner at the law firm of Anaya of Anaya-Mckedy here in Colorado Springs. We serve Colorado Springs and the surrounding area with regards to criminal defense. One thing when we interview a lot of people, when people are interviewing us, they want to know is, what do they need to look for in hiring an attorney? A lot of times when people come in, they're experiencing the criminal system for the first time. They're trying to navigate the criminal system. They're trying to navigate the court system. They're trying to figure out, what am I doing to get an attorney? Attorneys are expensive, so you want to make sure that you spend your money wisely. The thing that most people look for and they want to come in right away and say, hey, what's your record? What's your record? What's your win-loss record? And what I tell them is, it depends on what the meaning of a win or a loss actually is. The thing is that our clients who are looking at the rest of their life in prison, and we get it down to 10 years and they're out in 3, that's a win. Is that a win in trial? No. Do we win in trial? Yes, but it's not all about that. When you're dealing with an attorney, you're trying to figure out which attorney that you're gonna go with. You're gonna want somebody who has the ability to go to trial, who does go to trial, if necessary, but doesn't need to. They can do whatever they need to possibly to avoid that trial. And the reason is because you never know what's gonna happen when you put it in the hands of a jury. You never know how they're gonna come out or what they're gonna focus on. But you wanna have an attorney that does do trials. You wanna make sure that they've done trials recently, because a lot of attorneys haven't. So I wanna ask that question. The next thing you wanna keep in mind is that you're going to be in this relationship with the attorney for a long time. Criminal cases last quite a while. Anywhere from 3-4 months up to 6 months up to 1.5 years. You're gonna wanna make sure that that relationship with that attorney is something that can last for that period of time. That they're accessible to you, that they respond to you, they respond to your questions, and they respond in a way that keeps you informed about what's going on. Here, one thing that we pride ourselves on is that we want to make sure that you know exactly what's going on with your case. Ultimately, you're going to be the one making the decision on how the case proceeds forward, but you have to have all the information to be able to do that. You need to know the possible penalties, the risks, the outcomes. You need to know what your case's facts are, where things are going bad for you, where things are good for you. Those are all the things that your attorney needs to provide and help work through with you. Those are the things that you need to ask your attorney. How do they do that? What do they do through the process? And how are they going to help you navigate the system so that you can make the proper decision? Don't focus on win and loss. Focus on the person, focus on their confidence, focus on their history. How long have they been doing this and what kind of cases that they do? You don't want somebody who does DUIs handling a murder case, but you want somebody who knows what they're doing. Ask those questions and don't be afraid to ask those questions at any point in time. And just remember, talk to multiple attorneys, go with your gut, and always know that if it's not working out, you have the ability to change attorneys. With that, go with what you feel.